Forza Horizon 6 video card crash error on Linux Steam Deck. The video card crash error on Linux is usually caused by Proton compatibility problems, broken Vulkan drivers, VRAM allocation issues, DX12 translation crashes, VKD3D, old Mesa nvidia drivers, gamescope or overlay conflicts, unsupported launch configurations. This error is common on Steam Deck, Arch Linux, Ubuntu, Nobara, Pop! OS, Fedora, Manjaro. Follow these fixes step by step. Step Fix 1, use Proton Experimental. Step 1, open Steam. Step 2, right-click. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step 3, go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Enable, you can see the code in our conversation history. Select, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart Steam and launch the game again. Fix 2, try Proton GE. If Proton Experimental crashes, use Proton GE. Install. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then download the latest. You can see the code in our conversation history. After installing, restart Steam. Select GE Proton and compatibility settings. This fixes many DX12-related crashes on Linux. Fix 3. Update GPU drivers. Old Vulkan drivers are one of the biggest causes of video card crashes. AMD, Intel, Mesa, update Mesa and Vulkan packages fully. Ubuntu, Debian, you can see the code in our conversation history. Arch Linux, you can see the code in our conversation history. nvidia, install the latest proprietary driver. Check driver version, you can see the code in our conversation history. But very old drivers, because FH6 relies heavily on modern Vulkan and DX12 translation. Fix 4, add launch options. Open Steam launch options and try, you can see the code in our conversation history. If that fails, try. You can see the code in our conversation history, or you can see the code in our conversation history. These can stabilize GPU crashes on some systems. Fix 5, disable overlays. Disable Mango HUD, Discord overlay, Steam overlay, Gamescope overlays, RTSS-like tools. Overlay conflicts often trigger Vulkan crashes. Fix 6, delete Proton prefix. Corrupted Proton prefixes can cause startup crashes. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Find the F86 folder and delete it. Steam will recreate it automatically on next launch. Fix 7, increase VRAM swap space. Low VRAM systems may crash instantly. For Steam Deck or low memory GPUs, increase swap size or enable. You can see the code in our conversation history. This helps prevent GPU memory allocation crashes. Fix 8, force Vulkan shader rebuild. Delete shader cache. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the FH6 cache folder only. Restart Steam. Fix 9, disable ray tracing. If the game launches partially, disable ray tracing. Lower texture quality, lower environment geometry, turn off frame generation. These settings can trigger GPU driver crashes on Linux. Fix 10, Steam Deck specific fix on Steam Deck. Switch to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Update everything fully. You can see the code in our conversation history, then reboot. Also try Proton Experimental, GE Proton, lower UMA frame buffer settings in BIOS. Fix 11, check Vulkan's support. Run, you can see the code in our conversation history. If Vulkan fails or shows errors, reinstall Vulkan drivers. Fix 12, remove launch scripts mods. Remove, reshade, custom DLLs, launch wrappers, FPS unlockers, Linux injectors. These can break Proton rendering. The additional